Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we are going to review Nimo laptop. So you need to purchase any product on this website or not, and what are the problems of this website products, and each and every information I'm going to provide you on this video. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, we are going to check the age. As you can see, the age of the website is 1 year from now. That means the website is available on internet from 1 year. So this is also a good indication. And if we are going to talking about, like, you can say the contact information, so they have provided their contact information, so this is also a very good indication. They have provided their email address, and their you can say phone number is also provided by them. Okay, so both indications is looking too good. And if we are going to talking about, like, their social media accounts, yes, they have provided their social media accounts also. So in the terms of, you can say, presentation, or you can say presence on social media or internet, is very good. And if we are going to talking about, like, products, as you can see, the Nimo product is also listed on, you can say, amazon.com. okay, so as you can see, they have listed their products on you can say, like, on amazon.com. You can purchase any product on Nimo store. So the Nimo store is also available on amazon.com. so this is also a very good indication. And if we are going to talking about, like, build quality and all, so build quality and price point is also looking too good. So each and every information of this website is looking too good. But in the terms of purchasing, if you are going to purchase any product on this website, what you have to do, you need to contact with the customer support team. If you get good reply from their side, if you get good you can say what you can say, like, if you get good reply and if you get instant support from their side, then you can make a purchase. And if you are not getting good replies, then what you have to do, you need to purchase Nimo products on amazon.com. On amazon.com, as you know, amazon.com is a very reputed brand, and you can easily purchase product, and you can easily return and refund your products very easily. So this is the review of Nimo products. So if you are facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.